स्टार्ट होईल मग तुला येते बघ.
Hello everyone, myself Akshata Farne. Me and my colleague Pranav Patil. Today we are here to represent concept of lapse rate. First, we will see the what is a lapse rate. Uh, the lapse rate is the rate at which temperature changes with height in the atmosphere. A lapse rate is the rate at which temperature of the atmosphere decreases as the altitude increases. The lapse rate tells us how much the temperature is decreasing the higher in the air we get. The higher you are in the atmosphere, the colder the temperature will be. Lapse rate is equal to minus dt divided by dA. Equation represents the decreasing change in temperature over the change in altitude. Next page. Environmental lapse rate, the rate at which air temperature decreases with elevation. This refers to the rate of temperatures decreasing when it is not being affected by the saturation of water vapor in the atmosphere. However, it can be affected by the stability of the air. If the rising air parcel is colder than environment, then it's heavier and doesn't rise. Therefore, it is stable. Air is unstable when the air parcel is warmer and rises because it's lighter than its environment. Environmental lapse rate decreases faster when air is unstable than stable, different from adiabatic lapse rate because adiabatic is the rate at which temperatures decreases with altitude when the air is either moist or cold, measured by balloon device called radiosonde. Next page. Adiabatic lapse rate. What is adiabatic lapse rate? Adiabatic lapse rate is basically the environmental lapse rate being affected by the saturation of the atmosphere. Air is moist when it is saturated by water vapor and dry when there isn't much water vapor. Like environmental adiabatic can be affected when atmosphere is stable or not stable. Dry adiabatic versus moist adiabatic. When the atmosphere is stable, the adiabatic rate decreases faster with altitude than the environmental lapse rate, but not by much. If the adiabatic rate is dry during a stable atmosphere, then the temperature decreases much faster than both moist adiabatic rate and the environmental lapse rate. If atmosphere was unstable, the dry adiabatic would be slower than environmental and the moist adiabatic would be slower than both dry and environmental. Now my colleague Pranav will continue further presentation.
Now we will see the effect on stability of environment. When the environmental lapse rate is greater than the dry adiabatic rate, the atmosphere is absolutely unstable. When the environmental lapse rate is less than the most moist adiabatic rate, the atmosphere is absolutely stable. When the environmental lapse rate lies between the dry adiabatic rate and the moist adiabatic rate, the shaded green area, the atmosphere is conditionally stable. Now we will see the recap. Lapse rate is the rate at which temperature decreases as the altitude increases in the air. Environmental lapse rate is the rate at which temperature decreases when the rate is not affected by the saturation of the air. Environmental lapse rate decreases faster when the atmosphere is unstable rather than stable. Adiabatic lapse rate is the rate of temperature decrease when air is either dry or moist. Could decrease uh, could decrease either faster or slower than the environmental rate based if the air is stable or not. Major difference between the two is environmental lapse rate is the rate when air saturation is put into account and adiabatic is the lapse rate affected by the saturation of the atmosphere. Thank you.